Are you ready to unleash the power of high-pressure cleaning? If your patio looks more like a dirt wrestling pit and your driveway resembles a modern art exhibit, it's time to level up with the best electric pressure washers. These powerful machines make dirt tremble in fear as they blast away grime, gunk, and unsightly stains. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a cleaning enthusiast, join us as we dive into the top contenders that'll turn your mess into a masterpiece. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Sun Joe SPX3000, our pick for best budget electric pressure washer. If you're on the hunt for a game changer for your outdoor space that won't empty your wallet, the Sun Joe electric pressure washer deserves a spot on your wish list. Yes, it might cost a bit more than some of its rivals, but trust us, it's worth every penny when you see how it transforms your cleaning routine from mundane to magical. You'll appreciate its sleek, lightweight design that's perfect for dashing around your yard like a superhero of cleanliness. Those sturdy wheels and upright structure make it a breeze to maneuver over grass and bumps, giving you the freedom to conquer dirt in any corner of your outdoor kingdom. And those 2 detergent tanks? Absolute genius! One for the car, the other for your patio furniture. Because why settle for just one when you can double the cleaning joy? With a 20-foot hose and a 35-foot power cord, you're not about to run out of space for your cleaning adventures. The 5 nozzle tips let you dial in just the right pressure for any job, from blasting stubborn grime off the driveway to gently caressing your windows until they sparkle. So get ready to swap drudgery for a dazzling shine. Remember, a cleaner home isn't just a chore completed. It's a step toward a happier you and a more inviting space for everyone who walks through your door. Number 4. DEWALT DWPW2100, our pick for best portable electric pressure washer. If you're tired of battling dirt and grime in your outdoor sanctuary, the DEWALT DWPW2100 is here to save the day, armed with a mighty 2,100 PSI. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to efficiency. At just 25 pounds, this electric pressure washer is as portable as your coffee cup, making it the ultimate sidekick for tackling any mess life throws your way. Styled in vibrant yellow, this bad boy isn't just easy on the eyes. It's designed for high-flying organization too. With its self-contained design, you can stack it vertically or horizontally to free up space, because who needs clutter? And the dedicated storage? Oh, it's the Marie Kondo of pressure washers, keeping your nozzles, hoses, and wands neatly tucked away. Hassle-free mobility is at your fingertips with multiple grab points, a retractable handle, and wheels that glide like a dream. Plus, get ready to unleash the power of soap with the included soap bottle. Because let's face it, dirt stands no chance against a cleaning agent with a vengeance. With a tough 25-foot kink-resistant hose, you can reach those hard-to-get spots and blast away grime from up to 35 feet away. So roll up your sleeves and let the DEWALT DWPW2100 do the heavy lifting while you channel your inner cleaning superhero. Still searching for the perfect electric pressure washer? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Sun Joe SPX3500, our pick for best electric pressure washer for beginners. If you've ever found yourself staring at dirt and grime, feeling like you need a superhero to save your patio or deck, then meet your new best friend, the Sun Joe electric pressure washer. Sure, these machines can look a bit intimidating at first, almost like they belong in a sci-fi movie, but fear not. Assembling this beauty is simpler than putting together that new IKEA shelf. With just a press of a button and a twist of a dial, you'll unleash a soapy deluge that makes cleaning feel less like a chore and more like an adventure. Roll it around your yard like you own the place, tackling everything from brick to wood with ease. Transform your winter-worn patio and algae-covered siding into shining showcases in mere minutes. Who knew that a little soap could perform such miracles? And while you've got a selection of nozzles for different tasks, 0 to 40 degrees like a pressure washer Swiss Army knife, you might find yourself wishing for a magic button to adjust pressure on the fly. No worries though, just experiment a bit. With 2000 psi of power, you'll soon notice that even the most stubborn dirt doesn't stand a chance. When you're done, everything packs up neatly, leaving your garage looking spick and span. Sure, it's not designed for hardcore paint stripping, but for everyday messes, it's like having the cleaning superhero you never knew you needed. Number 2, Active 2.0, our pick for best compact electric pressure washer. If you're hunting for a compact powerhouse that won't take over your garage, the Active 2.0 electric pressure washer is your ultimate sidekick. This little dynamo sets up faster than you can brew a cup of coffee. Just 16 minutes and you're ready to unleash the clean. Weighing a featherlight 12.5 pounds, it glides around your yard like a race car on a track. With powers that put regular cleaning to shame. You can tackle everything from that grimy IPE wood deck that's seen better days to giving your car the spa day it deserves. Armed with 4 quick connect nozzles, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, and 40 degree, you're the captain of your cleaning destiny. Just remember, the 25 degree nozzle is your BK, best keep choice for transforming your deck and siding, though a faint outline might remain as a badge of honor. Now, let's chat about the hose. While this soft beast boasts 20 feet of reach, it has a flair for dramatic twists and turns that would make a cat envious. And storing it? Well, let's just say it's like a jigsaw puzzle without the picture. But don't let that deter you. With the magic to blast away years of grime, you'll find the minor hiccups are worth it for the sheer joy of revealing surfaces that sparkle anew. Let's get cleaning. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Greenworks Pro Brushless, our pick for best electric pressure washer overall. If you're tired of your garden looking like a forgotten jungle or your driveway resembling a crime scene from an action movie, then the Greenworks Pro Brushless electric pressure washer is here to save the day. Say goodbye to the hassle of gas-powered machines and hello to this powerful 14-amp true brushless motor that packs a punch with 3000 psi and 2.0 GPM, translating to a whopping 3300 cleaning units. That's a cleaning power you can bank on. Now, we know you're busy, and 2 gallons is just enough to tackle that mountain of dirt without causing a drought. With a 25-foot hose, you can wave goodbye to awkward angles and hello to efficient cleaning that doesn't involve yoga poses on your lawn. Plus, it's PWMA certified, meaning it's been thoroughly vetted by professionals who know their pressure washers inside and out. And let's talk performance. This bad boy's heavy-duty cast aluminum axial cam pump is better than gas. No more smoky headaches or endless trips to the gas station. With JetFlow technology, you'll get an impressive 50% more flow for those hard-to-reach spots. It's like having your own superhero sidekick for tackling grime. So why wait? Bring home the Greenworks Pro, and let's turn your cleaning woes into cleaning wows. Your outdoor space will thank you, and so will your neighbors. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best electric pressure washers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which electric pressure washer you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.